Hi, this is Tony. I'm at a writing retreat in Banff, Alberta, taking 10 days of solitude to finish up the Talk to More People manuscript. And I ended up actually cat sitting. I've got friends of a friend who needed a cat taken care of and serendipitously ended up here. Yesterday, an interesting thing happened where I met a stranger, a guy named John, at the Banff Centre for Creativity. There is a writer's retreat happening at the Banff Centre right now, and he was able to tell me about an event that was happening that night, last night, that was open to the public. There were some readings from some of the students, some of the award-winning students, and award-winning author Anna Schofield was hosting, and I got to meet her, and she's lovely and funny, and it was a really great event. What's most important and significant about this story is the fact that I got a really helpful epiphany from attending the event about my writing process, about something I want to include in the book, and that has to do with the circus. Now, I was already planning to involve some elements of circus performance as juggling relates to getting into conversations with people. That's already a part of the plan. But what I got was a whole new idea of how to weave the circus storyline into the book, and so it will be a little bit more than I had planned. And that's a direct result of going to that event, which of course is a direct result of talking to a stranger. So let this be a reminder that talking to people is worthwhile. It exposes you to all kinds of new ideas, new events, new activities that can positively affect your work, the direction of your life. It can just do so many good things. So go talk to people, go talk to more people, and see how your life can improve. Thank you so much, John, for inviting me to the event, and to all the lovely people who I got to meet there. Bye for now. Back to the writing.